Why did John B. Watson adopt Ivan Pavlov's concept of conditioning? To explain how behavior results from observable stimuli in the environment and observable responses, the behavioral stimuli. Who was one of the most well-known behaviorists? B.F. Skinner. What was B.F. Skinner convinced we could do? He was convinced that we could and should use behavior approaches to actually shape human behavior. What have modern behaviorists been most successful in treating? People with overt, observable, behavioral problems such as phobias and alcoholism. What does overt mean? Overt is done or shown openly, plainly, or readily apparent, not secret or hidden. What does phobia mean? It means an extreme or rational fear of aversion of something. What does humanistic perspective emphasize? It emphasizes free will, self-actualization, and human nature as naturally positive and growth-seeking. Name 2 central figures in the development of humanism. His name was Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. What is self-actualization? It is a state of self-fulfillment in which we realize our highest potential. Why are Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow called humanistic? Because unlike other animals, we create a personal belief system about ourselves and our world and then govern our lives in accordance with these stories. What is positive psychology? It is a scientific study of optimal human functioning, emphasizing positive emotions, positive traits, and positive institutions. Who are the leaders of positive psychology? Ed Denier, Seligman, and Shelley Taylor. What did Ed Denier, Seligman, and Shelley Taylor emphasize on? 1. Positive emotions. 2. Positive traits. And 3. Positive institutions. Give 2 examples of positive institutions that help promote better lives. Improve schools and healthier families. What is one of the most influential modern approaches in psychology? Cognitive perspective. What does cognitive perspective focus on? It focuses on thinking, perceiving information, processing. What do modern-day cognitive psychologists study? Study how we gather, encode, and store information from our environment using a vast array of mental processes. What do the vast array of processes include? Thinking, perception, memory, language, and problem solving. What does the biological perspective emphasize? It emphasizes genetics and biological processes in the brain and other parts of the nervous system. Give 2 examples of positive institutions that help promote better lives. Improve schools and healthier families.